Okay guys, so this is the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I love their lotions. I've used their coconut oil and I wanted to try this. It is super, super rich. Like if you have dry skin, you look at how thick that is. You have to try it. It does require some effort to get it to, you know, it's so thick that you gotta really, really rub it in. But once you do that, I mean, your skin drinks it up. It's so rich, it's so hydrating. This doesn't have a real strong scent. You can smell the coconut oil in it, and maybe a little bit of vanilla. There's other scents that they have. I like this one. It's not overpowering. There's a ton of product in here. You really only need a tiny bit, and definitely helps with the dry skin. So give it a try.